Welcome to the Afterspin, opinions from thought leaders in our state. Becky Gray, the new public-private economic development partnership opened for business the first week in October. When proposed, we were told it's going to help our state respond faster and be more flexible in creating jobs. We were also promised it was going to be very transparent. Leadership now is unwilling to tell us where the $500,000 in private funds that they raised have come from. Does that trouble you?
Of course it does, and I think it should trouble everyone. This is one of the concerns that we voiced, many people voiced with when they set up the public-private partnership, is that when you use public money, when you use taxpayer money, there's an obligation to be transparent with that and to let taxpayers know. If it's a private industry, you don't have to do that, but you do if you're using public money. I think I've seen some things this week that perhaps the Department of Commerce has said that they will disclose who their donors are, perhaps the total amount that they've raised. They may not disclose how much each donor has raised. That's got to come along. But, you know, these problems are inherent, I think, with this notion that the Department of Commerce needs to be the marketing division for state government. Government doesn't do that very well. In my opinion, the whole problem with this is we would be better served if the Department of Commerce and state government focused on core functions of government that make our state more competitive to attract businesses. Things like providing an excellent education system, infrastructure, roads, ports, rails, you know, those kinds of things. Does that mean we
get out of the incentives business altogether?
Absolutely, yes.
All right.
Exactly.
Well, thank you for watching the Afterspin. More video all during the week on ncspin.com.